Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to see problem set 4's EMOJIZE. Okay, so here they have said that in a file called at emojize.py, implement a program that prompts the user for a string in English and output the emojized version of that string. Okay, so here you can see the list of emojis available in this particular link. They will give you the emoji and also the actual name of the emoji, like ally's name. Okay, so these are all the emojis available. So we need to ask the user for this particular thing and ally's name, and we will give the emoji as the output. Okay, yeah. So for this, in the hint they have itself given that there is a module called as emoji with two functions, emojize and language as optional parameter. Okay, so for using this particular module, we need to install the emoji first. Pip install emoji. Okay, so let us try to install that first. Okay, yeah. So we have successfully installed the emoji module. Now we can go to that particular link which they have given so that we can see about the emoji module. So here, as they have said, we need to import the emoji first, and here if you can see, this is the actual print statement emoji.emojize. Whatever we are writing here, that will be printed as emoji. Thumbs up they have written, so thumbs up is given as output. Okay, let us try to copy this and paste in our code. Before that, we need to import emoji. Okay, yeah. So we need to ask the user what is the input they need as a string, correct? So user is equal to input. We can ask it like what input. Okay, input. Okay, yeah, we have asked the user regarding the input, and now we need to print emoji.emojize, and we need to print the actual user, correct? So user, that is the parameter for us. Yeah, now I think it is perfect. Emoji, correct? Import emoji. Okay, what is the problem here? Okay, let us try to run the program and check. Python emojize.py. They have asking for the input. Let us give some sample input available for us. Yeah, you can see the output, right? Yes. So let us check with the check CS50 for all the other conditions to make it work or not. Yes, hope it works. Thumbs off yields output of expected. Okay, so there are two errors available. Let us see what is that with the help of. So whenever you get an error, we can come directly here and see what is the error. Okay, two different items have given correct output but not thumbs up. Why is it like that? Let us check. Or Earthish. Yeah. So these two are not giving the actual output. Let us check why is it like that. Okay, let me run the program and check that particular answer. So what is the input they have given? Copy. And I have pasting here. Okay, it is not showing the Earth Asia symbol. Why is it like that? Let us check. Okay, so let us try with this another thing, language equal to alias. We can also try add this parameter and check whether it will work. Also command Control V. Okay, let us try now the same. Yeah, perfect. So they have given the language parameter as alias we have given. After that, I think it is working fine. Perfect. We have done the program, and yeah, that's it for today, guys. Bye bye.